Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to find item, which supplier you have to use, and how to dropship item to eBay store. So my name is AKIN, and this video I'm gonna explain how come to easy with Hustle Got Real help, and they figure out this our problem, and it's gonna be so much helpful on your eBay store, also your sales. So what you have to do, you have to have use Hustle Got Real software under the below this video. You will have a link. This link gonna be affiliate link. You can click go to Hustle Got Real. Also you can type to Google Hustle Got Real and you can join in. So let's start. When you join in and after you link your store, you will see this page and you will see here catalog. Just come here to click catalog, and after you need to choose your supply because mostly they can't find a supplier. So what we're gonna do, you can click here some of let's say Sismit. Okay, if you want to, you can have Argos. If you want to, if you don't want to, just click again, and that's it. You can click more, how much as you want to do. Let's do with the Excel as well. So come here and done. Okay, so you should be put price. So let's say I'm gonna start £100 minimum price. I just blank for maximum. Okay, minimum profit. I do work, let's say £5. Just let's start what we're gonna do. Okay, we got item, and if you want to, for example, you have store and you're selling only baby stuff, you can just type here baby, and they will offer you only baby store product. So I'm gonna do now random. I don't choose any niche. All right. So we will see here what item we can sell. They will show here, for example, washing machine, 226 pounds we can sell on eBay. It's gonna be cost for us 173 pounds. We will receive here 23 pound profit, guys. Look at that, it is amazing. Before you need to search, you need to use software, you need to do so many stuff, and you will see under just 1 minute I find how many items we find here this page, only this page. I think if we choose all, we should be see somewhere. All right, just stay optimize. Okay, we got 60 product. So there is if you see there is 9 page cross 6. It's gonna be too much item, guys, more than 500. So this up to you. You can list all of them, or if you don't want to, just clear them, because sometimes, as you see, like PlayStation, this is Vero item. So before you publish, just make sure you don't click Vero item. However, if you forgot, when before you list, Hustle Got Real gonna be stop the list the Vero item, because they will publish your item without your information. They won't be. So just keep in your mind before you publish. So let's do this ladies baby. Okay, let's do this one, and then let's do this one and this one. For example, after these things, we like around 30 pound profit. So we can change this one, and we have to just click the list for product. Okay, so what they offer you here, if you want to, you can buy tokens. One product is gonna be worth for one token. So what they will do, they will optimize your title and all other stuff. As you see, you can see rank higher on eBay search results, because they will do for you SEO optimizing, title optimizing. So they will check, analyze your category and all other stuff. They are so helpful and powerful. Also, you can do after your published item to your eBay store, but it will take time. Or if you have virtual assistant, they can do for you all this stuff. So it depends on you how much your time worth it. You have to know. So if you say click here, you will list with 4 tokens. Or if you don't want to, you just list this item. So they will put our store now, after I think couple minutes it will be published our Shopify store. So that's it, guys. All you have to do, it's so much helpful. And if you have any question, please just write a comment and join our Facebook free group. And if you want to know more feature, also you can just join Hustle Go 3. Thank you so much for listening, guys. Have a great day, and I hope so it will be boost your sales. Thank you.